Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have another unboxing video. It's another large package, and I've already pre-cut some of it to hopefully save some time here. So I will get it out of the box the rest of the way here and put it up on the table. The large box within this large box. So this is a watch I've wanted for a long time. Early 90s, I wanted to get one of these watches. Really didn't have money for this type of watch way back then, and I wanted this watch because of James Bond movies. So great product placement by Omega, because I wanted this watch because of James Bond. And also one of my other favorite watches, which I still don't own, hopefully one day I will own, but another one of my favorite watches is due to a Magnum PI, and that is the Rolex Pepsi GMT. So hopefully one day I'll be able to purchase one of those watches. But anyway, really looking forward to spending some time with this watch. And let's get it out of the box here. Very nice watch. There's some things I have handled a couple of these in person before. Might be a little bit too big for my wrist, and also there's a couple visual things, a couple appearance things I don't like about it, but I wanted to give it some time. So I think the best way to do that is to pick one up. I purchased this watch used, so one good thing about Omega versus Rolex is Omega, you can pick them up on the secondary market for less than the price of new. Rolex, you can't do that. But anyway, enough about Rolex. This is about Omega, and this is one of the best watch boxes I've ever had my hands on. Actually, this is much better than the Seamaster box. Nice wood case, nice polish to it. Yeah, very nice presentation here. Looks like the box is a little bit ripped, but no big deal. The cardboard box it is. All right, so let's get this open. This little button on here to push. Oh, very nice. The box is very nice. I wish I could make something like this. There she is. Very cool watch. Assuming the extra links are in here. Yep, there they are. I'm sure I'll have to size this. Nice box, really is. Let's set this off to the side and take a closer look at the watch. Got some heft to it, that's for sure. Very cool. First look, it almost looks like it's new. The crown is a little small. So some of the things that I don't care for with the Omega is that the Seamaster Professional helium escape valve I don't like, but you know, it's been on the watch for all these years, so it's just a part of the design. I just need to accept it. And then the scalloped bezel, I never really understood the scalloped bezel like this. I always prefer more of a coin edge like on the Submariner or no, on my SKX. That's not an SKX. What the heck am I grabbing? Here we go. Now this, I'm more used to this type of a bezel with a knurling kind of thing, or a coin edge bezel. I don't think I've ever owned a watch with a scallop bezel. Actually, I think I might have had. I might still have it too. I think I had an Invicta with this kind of bezel. But you know, it's easy enough to grab. Maybe a little slippery. Nice bezel action. ceramic bezel insert, and then of course the ceramic dial. So it's a good looking watch. I think if I were to buy new, I would go with the white dial, but this one came up for sale, good opportunity, so I decided to jump on it. I always like a nice black dial too. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of this watch. And I'll put it on wrist here real quick. It's got the on the fly micro adjust. Okay, I'm used to them where you can just push it back in without having to push this little button here. So that's a little bit different, but I can see why, because it springs up and down on some teeth in here. Hopefully you can see that there's some teeth in here that this thing engages with, so it's just under spring pressure. You push it down and it'll allow you to loosen it or tighten it. Looks like it has a dive extension as well. Just like that. It's a nice little system here. Alright, let me get it on wrist. Yeah, the other thing too, I really like tapering bracelets, and this one doesn't taper. I believe it's 22 all the way down. So I'll have to remove a couple links on this. But definitely looking forward to spending some time with this watch. I'll zoom out so you can see how it looks on my 6.5-inch wrist. Maybe a little big, but I don't think it's really that much bigger than the Submariner I have. Yeah, I don't know. I'm very fortunate to be able to add this to my collection. I don't know what to say. Such a cool watch. Lyre lugs too. Yeah, very nice. So, all right, let me zoom out and then we'll close out the video. I don't know, maybe a little big, but it is a dive watch. I don't think it's really that. I don't think it's too big. I think I'll be able to enjoy wearing this watch for some time to come here. So anyway, sorry, a little speechless today. Just happy to have one of these in my collection finally. And that will conclude this video. As always, thank you for taking the time, and thank you for watching. Greatly appreciate it.